Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so excited for our Roblox, and today I'm going to be trading a new robo dog that's gonna be in the game forever. It's about 80% off right now, and nope, I just left it. It's 80% off, and it's in the shop for 300 Robux. So I'm gonna make a trade request. Well, I'm gonna be seeing a ride 3-headed ride dog. No, I bought red person instead. I'm sorry, but I can put in a panda for that. But I'm gonna play the client anyways. There's a lot of people here reading robo dog. And robo dog, right guys. We're gonna wait for people to come over. I think the robo dogs aren't be losing value. They're gonna be like the skinnies. So do I have this? I think I do. Yep, I have 3. Okay, back to the video. We're gonna be seeing trading robo dog for my videos. Okay. Let's go. I don't think I'm getting good trades here, so we're gonna head to the center maybe? Or maybe the ice cream shop. Oh my gosh. And guys, I might be doing a giveaway about these robo dogs, so all you have to do is like, subscribe, share, and I might be doing one. This person has it. Okay, we're gonna wait for people to offer for it. I don't know. Okay, let's buy it. No, I don't think. I'm not gonna be able. I'm not sure. The buy one. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I trade first. Okay, this person is offering a ultra rare rocket racer. We can get it from the Star Wars, and a penguin, which is a Robux spec, but now they're on sale for that, and a couple toys from the puzzle event, and more like toys in Grab One. I'm gonna probably decline this one. I think we can get a better offer. So, you guys, okay, we got a Gilpidon. I like the Gilpidons, but I think I already have one. Sorry, but I declined that. Wait, are the 3-headed dogs on sale? Because they are on buy one. Let's see, 3-headed dogs. Oh, they're not. I would have done a giveaways on those. Let's try to get one, but we have to trade it in today's video, I think. So we're gonna try and try and try. So this girl might be interested because she is following me a little bit. Why not? It's the same girl. Trade press. A white scooter and a penguin. Oh my gosh. And on the white scooter. I just want the white scooter. It's so rare.